All right. How are you?
I'm fantastic. How are you doing?
Very good. Very good.
Where were you when you first came to us?
We were struggling to get a good lawyer, basically. The case was sitting a local office in Minneapolis. I was contacted and see how I can expedite because the case was sitting 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah, 10 years
What,
was sitting.
what type of case?
My mom was applying my brother for he was
Yeah.
a young actually when we filed the case. He was in, I think, 17 years old. Somehow they moved F1. I contacted the U.S. Embassy like several times, NVC, and they said, you are in the waiting list.
How long was it stuck like that?
The case was filed 2013. The case was stuck. Every time I contact the NVC, they said, we are working on.
We have many Somali clients, and they come to us through referral because so many people from Somalia have this problem where they go to the interview and they wait, their cases are stuck, nobody cares about them, nobody's doing anything, they tell them to keep waiting, and you were waiting for like 10 years, right?
10 years, no response. It's very frustrating. I have no info. I was struggling basically. I saw your video basically. I just Googled it. I said, Josh, please be the best lawyer I can choose.
Mahad Sani.
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.
When this case was stuck for 10 years, what was that like for you and your family to be just in limbo? It must have been really hard.
It's very difficult. It's challenging, honestly. It's very challenging. So my mom was, every time she talked to me, say, what should we do? Is there any way we can talk to the government and see what's going on in the case? So I talked to my mom and say, I'm looking for a best lawyer. It may take time, but be patient.
So we filed the lawsuit. A lot of times when we file these lawsuits, people are worried, and they're worried that the government's going to get mad at them and deny the case. Did you have any concerns like that when we started?
No, honestly, we've been worried in many years. So I was confident when I watched your video.
Yeah. So after we started the lawsuit, how long did it take before you heard something back?
Very quick. It's basically within 2 months.
So you waited 10 years, you got nothing. 2 months after you hire us, they gave you the interview.
Yep. I was very surprised. My mom was so excited, so happy. We are so lucky, honestly, to hire you guys. We are so lucky. Because I contacted a local lawyer that we hired 6 years ago. And every time I talked to him, he said the case was stuck.
Has everybody had the interview? Everybody has their visa? Everybody in the US? Where are you at now?
My brother will be coming in Friday in Minneapolis. He will be coming Friday.
How are you feeling about that?
We are very excited, honestly. We are planning to, make a family meeting basically and discuss. Yeah, basically. So hopefully next week or later.
If you had not hired us, where do you think you'd be right now?
The case would be stuck in embassy, the U.S. Embassy.
If somebody out there is waiting and their cases are stuck, they're Somali, they've been waiting, they're thinking about the lawsuit, they're not sure what to do, they're stuck, what would you say to them?
Every time I talk to one of my friends, especially, Somali community, I always basically tell, you guys hire, Josh. Basically, he will be the best lawyer I have seen my entire life. So
I want to thank you and your family for giving me a chance to help, because this is why we do what we do. It's like bringing this beautiful family of yours together, getting past this delay. It means the world to me, really. It does.
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate it. I appreciate your hard work, sir.